Center of gravity, which affects the center of gravity of the object's mass. What is the name of the point at which all the weight of the body concentrated? Center of gravity. Where the center of gravity of a circle lies at its center. Circle lies center. What is the center of gravity of a right circular cone from its base? H/4. What is the center of gravity of a rectangular body at the point of the intersecting of these diagonals? What is the center of gravity of a solid hemisphere from its base? Tr/8. What is the center of gravity of a sphere at the center? Which state of equilibrium's examples is a cone resting on its tip? Unstable. Tip. Unstable. Equilibrium are three types: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. Which one of the following geometrical shapes center of gravity lies from its base is a 1/3 of its height? Triangle. Triangle center of gravity is 1/3 from this base. Which state of equilibrium's example is a cone resting on its base? Stable. Stable equilibrium on its base.